Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. As you know, today we are going to start exercise 9D, question number 3, in which we have to convert the units depending upon the given situation. In question number 3, the statement is saying that express each of the following in kilometer per hour. These are the different units that we have to convert. So in part A, it is saying 8.4 kilometer per minute is given, and we have to convert it into kilometer per hour. In this regard, we need to understand this thing that the unit which is given in kilometer per minute that we have has to be converted into kilometer per hour. Right now we are in kilometer per minute, kilometer over minute, and we have to move towards kilometer per hour. So this thing is very clear that kilometer and kilometer, both units are same, so there is no need to make change in these. But we have to convert minutes into hours. And we know this thing that in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. So whenever we are moving from larger to smaller unit, we used to do multiplication. So here we are moving from smaller to larger unit. Minute is given and we have to go with to the larger unit. Hour is a larger unit, minute is a smaller unit. So from smaller unit to larger unit, we used to do division. Division by 60 right now because we are talking about minutes and hours over here. Question we have 8.4 kilometers per minute, but we have to convert these minutes in hours. So in the denominator of 8.4 kilometers, there is 1 minute. Per minute means, this per minute means there is 1 minute. So 1 minute will be divided by 60 to get into converting into hours. So for this, we have to divide this 1 minute by 60. So after doing its calculation, write this 8.4 divided by 1 divided by 60 to make it more simpler. Now 8.4 will be written in the fraction form, that would be 84 divided by 10, and this will be reciprocated, multiply by 60 by 1. Now what we will do, this 0 will be cancelled out by 0 and I am left with here 84 multiplied by 6 only. So now when I will multiply 84 by 6, I will get 504. Now this has become changed unit. Previously I was in kilometer per minute, it was given in a question. Now I have changed the unit while converting into kilometer per minute, say kilometer per hour. So this becomes kilometer per hour. As you know, there was no need to make changes in kilometers, both were same units. We just made changes in minutes into hours. 1 minute, 1 hour was equals to 60 minutes, so we divided this 1 minute by 60 to get into hours. So now kilometer per minute has been changed into kilometer per hour, as you can see in this solution. Now let's start its B part. Now in B part, as you can see, this 315 meter per second unit is given, and we have to go again in towards kilometer per hour. So meter per second will be changed into kilometer per hour. Now you can need to see this thing that meters will be changed into kilometers and seconds will be changed into hours. So for this very important thing, you need to understand this thing that in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meters, and in 1 hour we have 3600 seconds. So again same thing, whenever you are going from larger to smaller unit, you need to do multiplication, and whenever you are going from smaller to larger unit, you will do division. Simple. So here first of all observe this thing that we are going from meters to kilometers. Meter is a smaller unit, kilometer is a larger unit. So meters into kilometers, that means we are going from smaller to larger unit. In smaller to larger unit, we will do what? Division. Division by what? Division by 1000. So it means 315, this will be divided by 1000, and how many seconds we have? How many seconds we have? Right now we have 1 second. In 1 second, that has to be converted into hours. So 1 will be divided by 3600, and I have divided it by, because second is a smaller unit and hours is a larger unit. So I am going from smaller to larger units. I have to division. Division by which number? By 3600, because 1 hour has 3600 seconds. So now we will simplify it. For simplification, write it in a more elaborated form. 315 divided by 1000, again divided by 1 divided by 3600. Now, if I want to make changes in it, I will do what? I will do reciprocal. So this 3600 will be in the numerator and 1 will come in the denominator. Now zeros will be cancelled out. These two zeros will be cancelled by these two zeros, and I will be left with here 315 by 10 multiplied by 36. Now simple cutting is required, simplification is required. 315 and 10 will be cut on the table of 5 easily. So here I will get 5 6 are 30 and 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10 multiplied by 36 as it is. Furthermore, 2 and 36 will be cut. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 18 times 36. So I am left with 63 multiplied by 18. Now I have to multiply 63 by 18 to get the correct answer. And after multiplication, I got the answer 1134. And don't forget to put the unit with the answer, that is kilometer per hour. We were previously in meter per second. 315 was in meter per second. Now we have changed into a bigger unit, that is kilometer per hour. And it's the same unit will be written with its answer as well. And this is a very important thing. The unit you are converting, it should be written with its answer. Now we will move towards. Okay, let's start the D part now. D part is 125 centimeter per second. So it's clearly written over here that it is centimeter per second, has to be changed into kilometer per hour. Centimeter into kilometers. Again, smaller unit has to be changed into larger unit, and we will do division again with 125. And here again, seconds into hours. Again, smaller unit to larger unit. So 3600 will be divided by. So let's start. We know this thing that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters and 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So we have to move from centimeters directly to the kilometer. So both these things will be used. First of all, we have to move to centimeter to meters and then into kilometers. So both these numbers will be divided by. So 125 divided by 100,000 because 2 zeros of centimeter and 3 zeros of meters here. 2 3 4 5, and again 1 second is in the denominator and it will be divided by 3600. So when we will write it in the form of a fraction, 5 zeros and divided by 1 by 3600. Now in the next time we will reciprocate it to make it more simpler. Multiply by 3600. Now we will cut the zeros. These two zeros will be cut by these two, and then we can do more cutting of it. 125 divided by, only 1000 is left here and there is 36. So 125 and 1000, when you will cut both the numbers on the table of 5, so you will get 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25, and here 5 2s are 10 and 0 0 multiply by 36. Then you will cut these 25 ones are 25, 25 8s are 200. So you will get 1 by 8 multiplied by 36. And if you will cut more 8 and 36 on the table of 2, so you will get here 2 4s are 8 and 2 18s are 36. So you will get 18 by 4. If you want to cut it more, make it more simpler, so you will get 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Furthermore, if you will convert into mixed fraction, so you will get it 2 2 4s are 8, 1 is left and 1 by 2, 4 whole 1 by 2. And don't forget to put its unit is now kilometer per hour. Previously it was centimeter per second, right now it is kilometer per hour. I hope you understood the point which I have told you. Do practice of these questions as much as you can. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.